Hey friends, so in this video I will show you that how we can purchase the website name. So if you are going to build a website for your company, for your blog, for your business, for your e-commerce online shop, so you need a domain name. So the domain name, it can be like, let me show you, like for example, your domain name. And it can be .com, .net, .org, .online, .info. So these are, the domain names, and the .com, .net, .org, for example, online, .info, or like .com, .pk, .pk. And these are extensions. These are called extensions. So first we need the domain registrar from where we can buy the domain name. So for it you can search. There are a lot of online domain registrars like GoDaddy and a lot of, but I will recommend GoDaddy. So you can go to godaddy.com. And once you open this, so most probably it will go to your, your local domain extensions. It will go like it's showing in rupees. So maybe you can see in dollars, or if you are from like Canada, so you can see Canadian dollars, any, country. So you can see here the currency. So you can see, I can see here that get a .com for only rupees 1 first year. Includes IRO, and this is 3 years purchase required for this. So I need a domain with But IT Solutions. So you can see butitsolutions.com is available. It's only rupees 1, but I need to pay like for 3 years. We can also see like butit.solutions and .co. This is also with 3-year terms. There are a lot of like .online. It's only 280 for first year. So actually I want to show you the process, so you can select any domain, any extension, what you want. The process is same for all extensions. So butitsolutions.online, we will add this domain in the cart. So you can see the cart is added. So I will go to view cart. And this is for 2 years. We will change it to 1 year. And you can see it's almost 280 rupees. So I'm launching a new online. This is, if you want, you can select this. Otherwise, you can go to continue to cart. So you can continue with Facebook, with Google, with email, or sign in later. So we can continue with email. And here I will create an account. So I'm also showing the process. And the password we will select here, and I will type, for example, the password is very strong because I selected capital letters, small letters, and also symbols, and also numbers, and click on create an account. So let's secure your account, so you can verify your email to ensure you will not lose access to your account. So send verification code. So I will add the code here, and once I add the code, then I will resume the video. So I just added the code and has verified my account. So you can see we can add full domain protection with rupees 167 per month if you want, or you can select no domain protection and tell the world your site is coming soon included with domain. And this email plan, if you want, you can select. This is also $262 per month, professional email pro lite powered by Titan. But I will select no thanks and continue to cart. So you can see it is going to my cart, and I can see now in the cart like but itsolutions.online. It can be any extension.com, .net, .org. For you, you can select anyone you can add into the cart, and then you can proceed to this checkout process. And here now we are ready for checkout. So you can click here. If you have a promo code, you can add here, but we will process without it. And here I will type my name, last name, and other information I will add and save it. So then I resume the video after adding this information. So you will add the information, this information, according to your own information. So just wait few seconds. Let me pause the video, and I will resume it once I add it. So I just added my billing information. Now secure payment, I can see this card number I need to add, month, and the security code. So maybe you can see another option, payment according to your country. I can see this, so I will add and will resume the video after adding the card details, and then review order I will click, and then will resume the video. So I just added my card, and now you can see the billing information and payment method I added. So now I can click on complete purchase. So it's taking like few seconds and it's processing. And now online transaction has been done. I have received the message, and you can see here, but itsolutions.online is yours. So domain registration in progress, almost ready for action. So you can continue. You can see, thank you for your order. We have email you received to the email address, and this is incredible. So we can click on continue, and this is confirm your business info for but itsolutions.info. So you can select it and continue. And this is your coming soon page. If you want, you can click not now. So we have, incredibly we have done the process, and you can see the domain is here, but itsolutions.online. So it is now my own domain. I have explained everything in details, like how we can sign up, register in GoDaddy, and how we can search for the domain name, and how we can purchase the domain name by adding our payment method. So this is incredible, and this is very easy. So you can buy domain name, by website name. So in this video, I have explained everything about how to purchase the website name. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your friends so they can learn new things, they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.